Hello. I want to share with you a message that will help you unlock the power within you to manifest exactly what you desire, in a way that's practical and achievable. I know there's a lot of information out there about manifestation, but today, we're going to focus on a simple, straightforward approach that can truly make a difference in your life. You see, the key to a successful manifestation lies in understanding one simple truth: you are the creator of your reality. What you believe, think, and feel on a deep level directly shapes your world. This might sound a little strange at first, but trust me, once you understand and apply this concept, you'll see how it works in your own life. Now, let me ask you this: have you ever found yourself caught in the cycle of trying to manifest something but getting frustrated when it doesn't show up as expected? You try visualizing, affirming, and even acting as though it's already here, but something still feels off. Why? It's because there's a missing piece in the puzzle, and that piece is often something very simple, yet so powerful: belief. Yes, belief is the foundation of every successful manifestation. Without belief, your thoughts and desires don't carry the weight they need to materialize into reality. And that belief doesn't come from just thinking, "I believe this is going to happen." No. Real belief comes from feeling, truly believing with every fiber of your being that what you desire is already on its way to you. It's not just about saying the words or repeating affirmations, it's about living as if what you want is already yours. So how do you develop this deep belief? It starts with one very important step: imagination. Your imagination is the most powerful tool you have at your disposal. It's the bridge between the invisible and the visible. When you can vividly imagine your desires, it becomes easier to believe in their reality. But you must imagine in a way that doesn't leave room for doubt. You must live in the end, live as though the thing you desire is already yours. Feel it, see it, experience it in your imagination just as you would if it were already here. Now, I know it might be hard at first. Our human minds are wired to doubt, to question, to wonder if it's possible. But I urge you to push past that doubt. Let go of any fear, and trust that your imagination is working in your favor. Begin to assume the feeling of the wish being fulfilled. Live as if it has already come to pass, and allow yourself to feel the emotions of that moment. You might wonder, how long do I need to do this? The answer is simple: until it feels natural. When the thought of your desire no longer feels foreign or distant, when it feels real to you, that's when you know you've succeeded. When you can't help but think about it in a way that excites you, as though it's already happening, that's when you're on the right path. But it doesn't stop there. The next important piece is faith, faith that your desire is coming, even when the evidence isn't yet visible. This is where many people get stuck. They give up too soon, because they haven't seen the manifestation physically appear in their lives. They forget that manifestation doesn't happen on a set timeline, and that sometimes things have to shift in the background before they become visible. But if you can trust that everything is happening behind the scenes, and hold on to that faith, your manifestation will begin to show up in ways you didn't expect. Another vital component to successful manifestation is gratitude. When you are thankful for what you already have, it opens the door for more to come into your life. Gratitude aligns your energy with abundance and invites more of it to flow toward you. So, each day, be grateful, not just for what you have, but for the things you are about to receive. Express your gratitude as though it's already here. Be thankful for the love, the money, the opportunities, and the experiences you're attracting. This simple act will shift your energy and help manifest your desires much faster. One of the most powerful things you can do in your manifestation practice is to detach from the outcome. This doesn't mean you stop desiring the thing you want, it means you stop obsessing over it. When you cling too tightly to a desire, it often slips further away. But when you trust that what you desire is already on its way, and you let go of the need for it to show up in a specific way, you allow the universe the space to deliver it in the most beautiful and unexpected form. When you're not attached to the outcome, you're able to focus on the joy of the process. Enjoy imagining your desire. Feel the excitement of the possibility. Let go of the need to control the how and instead focus on feeling good in the present moment. The more you can stay in a state of joy and ease, the quicker your manifestation will come to fruition. This brings us to another crucial aspect: living in the present moment. The present moment is where all of your power lies. If you're constantly looking to the future or dwelling in the past, you're missing out on the present, where everything is happening. The key to successful manifestation is to bring your attention and energy into the now. When you do this, you can see and feel the abundance that already exists around you. It's in the air, in the people you meet, in the opportunities that are always available to you. So, how do you make the most of the present moment? It's simple: be present. When you're present, you're not thinking about the lack of what you want, you're focused on the goodness around you. You're open to receiving whatever comes your way, and you're no longer waiting for something to change before you can be happy. Happiness is not something you have to wait for. It's something you can choose right now, and by choosing it, you attract even more happiness into your life. Now, I want to share with you a small but powerful practice to integrate into your daily life. It's called the assumption method. Every day, before you go to sleep, assume that the desire you've been working on has already been fulfilled. Do this in your imagination. Feel it, live it, breathe it. Make it so real that when you wake up the next day, you continue to feel as though it has already happened. This simple practice, done consistently, will begin to shift your consciousness and bring your desires closer to you. But, like anything, consistency is key. This isn't about doing this practice once and expecting instant results. It's about building a habit of living in the state of having what you desire. The more you do this, the more natural it will become, and the more you will begin to see evidence of your manifestations showing up in your life. Now, if at any point you start to feel doubtful, don't beat yourself up. It's natural to experience moments of uncertainty. What matters is what you do next. Acknowledge the doubt, but don't let it control you. Gently shift your focus back to the feeling of your desire being fulfilled, and move forward with trust and faith. Doubt is just a passing thought, and it holds no power over you unless you allow it to. As we wrap this up, I want you to remember this: the power to manifest your desires is already inside of you. You have the ability to create anything you want, but it requires belief, faith, imagination, and most of all, trust in the process. Trust that the universe is working with you, not against you. Your desires are already on their way, and the only thing standing between you and their manifestation is your own belief. As we near the end, I want you to take a moment to really reflect on what you've learned today. It's not enough to just listen to this information, you must apply it. Start taking small actions today that will bring you into alignment with your desires. And if you've enjoyed this content and found it valuable, please take a moment to show your support. Like this video and share it with those who might benefit from this powerful message. Subscribing to the channel ensures you'll receive more content that can help you continue your path of personal growth and manifestation. Your engagement helps us to continue sharing these transformative messages with the world. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time to do so. By subscribing, you'll stay connected and be the first to know when new videos are released. It's an easy way to ensure you're always learning and growing alongside us. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it resonated with you, and share it with someone who may need a little encouragement. Your support truly means the world. Start today by living in the end, by feeling the joy, the gratitude, and the excitement of having exactly what you desire. Let go of the how, focus on the feeling, and trust that your manifestations are already unfolding perfectly. This is the secret to 100% successful manifestation. Thank you for being here. I'm excited for the wonderful things you're about to create in your life.